Let's talk about Hamster Kombat.
Ooh. What are our thoughts on this?
Now, of course, a lot of
we
people...
got our allocation. We got our airdrop.
We got our allocation.
Well, we know how much we got.
Yep. And based on the pre-market, they're not even 3 figures. It's completely shit. Now, this is not because this project is shit. This is because 131 million people qualified for the airdrop. So that is a lot of money being distributed to these people, which is very, very diluted. And even after the bans that they made, I feel like there could have been even more. Like, there's no way it's just 2.3 million bots that were caught. I think there were definitely more.
People who are key bot farming, I think there's groups to get codes for the keys and other things like that. Yeah, I
think the people that really did well on Hamster Kombat are basically the people with referrals. You see this guy right here? Most of his coins come from inviting friends. Now, if you're asking me, did I get a lot of tokens? No, I did not. I did not even make a Hamster Kombat video on this channel or even on Box Mining Plus. So I also have the same fate as you guys. I got about $20 or $30 of Hamster Kombat. But hey, if you have $20 or $30 worth of this airdrop, you compound them, all right? I've said this already since last year.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, my thoughts on Season 2, because they're also going to have a Season 2. Am I going to be farming it? I personally won't be farming it.
Yeah.
But I feel like a lot less people would be farming Season 2. So there could be a decent opportunity to get something out of this ecosystem. That is if, let's say, even 20% slashed. That means 20% of 300 million. How many is that? So let's say 60 million people are the only people that decide to play Season 2. Maybe that could be all right. I still feel like that is diluted because if you look at WorldCoin, WorldCoin, because I keep looking at the comment, man. The cyan is distracting me. What was that coin called? Notcoin. Notcoin. If you remember Notcoin, 40 million people only qualified for the airdrop. But even the top airdrop farmers on Notcoin only got about 4 figures. Okay, 4 figures. So that is still diluted. But Hamster Kombat right now is even more diluted.
Warmer. It's like at least 5 degrees warmer.
Right? You can feel the heat.
This video is brought to you by Bybit. So Bybit is one of the leading exchanges right now for trading anything from your coins on the spot market, or if you're aggressive and you want to be a professional trader, you can do the futures market, which has a really good liquidity. It's probably one of the best right now at this current point. Right now, if you register, you get a bonus here. So we actually have a super special bonus for every viewer on this channel. And on top of that, I would actually recommend you do it now rather than later, because as this market increases and as things get more exciting, the process gets like longer and longer as time goes on. So get your accounts early, sign up for Bybit now.
All right, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is Ron.
Martin.
Peace.